Yes, he said. She listened, but cannot speak. Yes, because now it's good. Okay. Start the kids. Yes. Someone of someone. I can show you on Facebook.
हरे कृष्ण।
हाँ हरे कृष्ण सुबिला
हाँ महाराज सब
टाइम है आरंभ करिया
हाँ हाँ
आरंभ कर लेते हैं red bottle oh that was there just you bring off the line water वंदे हम श्री गुरु श्री जुत पद कमलम श्री गुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्री रूपम साग्र जातम सहगम रघुनाथानितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं साद्वैतं परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगम ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च कदाचित् कालिंदी तट विपिन संगीत तरलो मुदा भीरी नारी वदन कमला स्वाद मधुपः रमा शंभु ब्रह्मामरपति गणेशाचित पदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवति प्रमादिदेव करुणानिधानं कमालवर्णं सुविदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवतम् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His divine grace, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Stotra Sat. Sri Srila Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami, Guru Maharaj, and all our Sikhya Guru Paramparacharya. By their causeless mercy, we will able to enter this spiritual kingdom, this secret, most important, our related to soul. Without Vaishnava's mercy, we can't advance. Also, I offer my love and respect to all devotees who are present in our Zoom meeting. Happy to be with all. In this coronavirus, whole world they are suffering. This is natural, our problem, but mainly the central point in our life is the death. Anyway, death is here, so how to free from death and how to free from fear. Also, in the spiritual world, where is no death, no birth, no old age, no such suffering like this material body with the three types of misery. And the Supreme Lord, simultaneously, He becomes controlled by the devotion, such pure devotees, which topic we were discussing, we have been discussing now Bhagavata Dharma. Yesterday we little discussed about the verse Shunnam Subhadrani Rathanga Pani. Surnam Subhadrani Rathanga Pani. The Rathanga Pani, Chakra Pani. Rathanga means chakra disc, whose Panu means by hand, who is always keeping this Sudarsana Chakra. He has no birth, but he also take birth here. Why? He comes to perform his Leela. This is his causeless mercy. Anugrahaya bhutanang manushadeham asritaha bhajati tadrushi krida jasutra tatparo bhave. Anugrahaya bhutanang, who are suffering in this material condition in his Maya, to take them, to merciful to them, he attract their minds by his attributes, by his name, by his pastimes, and his name, his qualities. This is the in 10th canto 33 chapter. This verse is written after Rasalila. Parikshita Maharaj, when he asked this question, Sukadeva Goswami narrated this verse. Anugrahaya Bhutana. He comes, he has no other any occasion, just he comes to Anugrahaya Bhutana. Bhagavad Gita, he told, Paritranaya sadhunang vinasaya duskrutam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Juge juge, time to time, when sadhus, devotees, they suffer by non-devotees, by demoniac people, then he appeared and protected his devotees and killed also this demoniac people and re-established the dharma. So janmani karmani cha jani loke. Asmin loke, in this planet, janmani karmani, what he has performed his activities, that we say pastimes, this is so powerful by hearing, by chanting, and to go to realize the meaning. Next part he told, Gitani namani tadarthakani gayana bilajo vichared asangaha. What he has done, his pastimes Leela, his name who chant, and Mahajanas, Acharyas, they glorified him. For example, Prahlada Maharaj glorified to Lord Nrsimha. Dhruva Maharaj glorified Lord Narayana. And Brahma also glorified, Narada also did, Sukadeva Goswami also did. So how they have glorified, how they have given this knowledge with the meaning, their science, their philosophy, their also the Supreme Lord's transcendental qualities there. The science, philosophy, qualities, and relation with the devotees, the love there, this transcendental love, by hearing their stuti and stava. In Sanskrit, all this hymns. By this glorification, if we repeat and loudly we sing his name, his qualities, his pastimes, his beautiful attributes. These are so powerful, sanctify to our consciousness. We clean our hearts, clean our these three moods of nature which is attracting in this material world, like sattva, raja, tamo, the passionate and ignorance and goodness nature, which three types of this material nature. This katha will clean and sanctify to him. Then one should free from the shyness. Shyness means bilaja, he told. Gayana bilajo, without any kind of this shyness, shame. Because this is one bound of this material social prestige. If someone loudly sing, loudly call, so others what they will feel, maybe what they will say, they will not respect. They think, oh, this is a madman. Why is he chanting loudly? Why he is doing kirtan, dancing, chanting? All these are the symptoms of our sadhana. To chant loudly, free from any prestige, false prestige, material prestige, with ego, who are arrogant people, proud people. They are thinking we are with this body, with the material belonging by their family, their education, by their wealth, by their strength. They are very proud in this society. And they are also social people, they respect them. They gave Nobel Prize, they gave rewards, they gave many champions, they become stars. This is all false. Reality is not with this, reality not there. But for that, people they are so much attached and they so much attracted for that. And they don't want to be a devotee. They don't want to be a humble servant of the Supreme Lord. Therefore, who are a practitioner, they should free from all this prestige, pratishtha, false prestige. This is like a dream. And same time, become humble. Mahaprabhu Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Prunadapi Sunichena Tarorapi Saistuna Amanina Manadena Kirtanya Sadahari. If we perform Kirtan always, chant the name, then we have to be Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. We must humble and tolerate like a tree, humbler than a grass, and a respect to others, and we don't expect to respect from others. This is the quality necessary. If this quality, if we acquire this, then in this world, in society, material, we have no any problem. Anytime we can remember Krishna, chant Krishna, and always be with Krishna. These are the main, ego is the main, which is keeping us in this material condition. So, without to free from this ego, ego comes to the prestige. So, this prestige, pratishtha, if we come out, how we come out? We offer, we free from all kinds of this vilaja, manaya, the lajja. Ajya means shyness. We should be free from that. Gitani namani tadarthakani. We sing Gita songs. What is written by our Acharyas? Bhakti Vinod Thakur has written many songs. Narottam Das Thakur has written, and many language, many Sanskrit language there. All our Goswamis has written in Puranas. Prahlada Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj, Narada, Brahma, Mahadev, and Gopis, they glorify to Venu Gita, Gopi Gita, Brahmara Gita, Yugala Gita, Shrutis, many they are. Unlimited there. We should read this, we should chant this, we should sing this. Only not sing, just like a parato or like a duty. Gitani namani tada arthakani. We should go to understand the meaning there. Our acharyas, they comments, they interpret many pages in one word. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has given, our Sanatana Goswami has given, Jiva Goswami, Baladev Vidyausana has written, Bhagavatam commentary, Sridhar Swami, and many other acharyas, Vaishnava acharyas, they have also written. So we go to understand the meaning. Basically, it was Sanskrit language, but nowadays everything translated all language in the Sanskrit language, in English language, and other language also there. So Bhagavad Gita is also a song sung by the Supreme Lord. This is Gita, but we have to go to understand meaning. Okay, we have to read Gita, then we read Gita, but we need to go to understand realize the meaning that. So Gitani namani tada arthakani. Arthas. Any song, if we read this, sing this, then we go to realize understand the meaning there. Then we go to our intelligence, our realization will go very deep. How they were enjoying it like the ocean. They enter the ocean there and they took the jewels and the pearls from the ocean. Same, we also Ananda Buddhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam Pratipadam Padam every word by word Purnamrita Swadanam complete, comprehensive, complete. We enjoying this with full of nectar and ocean increasing Anandamudi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Aswadanam. We need to aswadana. Aswadana means taste. How it will taste with this song? Now, the sound and by meaning of the sound, when we realize this, then we are tasting. We eat, we taste, we feel how beautiful, how deep meaning there, truth there, and happiness there. Then divine qualities there, dharma there, and all kind of punya, pious activities also there. This is the glorification now, glories of the Supreme Lord's Katha and Gita. But we have to go to realize the meaning. Nowadays, available in every digital instruments, you can find Gita and Bhagavad and Chaitanya, all songs also there. And we every devotees they have now also big volumes of books, Gita, Bhagavata, and all scriptures there. but rarely they go to read, and who read also, rare they go to deep to realize the meaning. This is the importance. We have to go to meaning to realize this. Maybe sometimes we also speak, we preach, we speak to others, but this is not sufficient. This is also need to realize this. First we realize, then we speak them how they can realize this, they can understand this. That's not like just parato, we can parrot just hear and speak for any fame, name, prestige or like this, or external. But we need to ourselves practice. Acharat prabhavo dharma. Acharat. We need to ourselves practice, then we realize, and with our realization, we teach to others with our love, with our compassion, so they can understand and they can come to practice. This is the real meaning. So when we read Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavata or any song we sing, but we need to go to know the meaning and the realization. Go to realize. When Sukadeva Goswami in Bhagavatam, Sutta Goswami prayed to him, he told one verse, Yaha Swanu Bhavam Akhila Sruti Saram Ekam Abhyatma Deepam Titir Satang Tamondham Sansarinang Karunayayang Purana Guyang Tang Vyasa Sunumupajami Gurung Muninam Yaha Swanu Bhavam Akhila Sruti Saram. All these Srutis, all scriptures, who applied himself and he realized this, is the purport and meaning. Then by karunaya, by compassion, merciful to this, the ignorant people who are suffering in this material condition, he put on one lamp, one light, that is Adhyatma Deepa. This is spiritual light, Adhyatma Deepa, for the darkness. In ignorance, they are all here. So from this ignorance and darkness, he gave this Purana Guhyam Srimad Bhagavatam. This is, he by his realization, just he narrated and to the Parikita Maharaj in this assembly of Brahmarshi, Devarshi, many sages, pious souls who are present there. That was now in present with us, that they were written. So what the meaning is there in the scripture, we first need to apply ourselves to our mind, to our intelligence, to our senses, our character, what we speak, what we do, what we think, we apply ourselves, and then we get the realization, real the spirituality and devotion, and then we also give to others, not by only words, language. This language also coming by realization, the spiritual, the transcendental, this Harikatha, by the sound, with the transcendental sound, it has spiritual realization can go to others. Just by through the ear, enter to the heart, to mind, and then it works to sanctify, to purify them. So gradually, by this medicine, spiritual medicine, when they take, gradually their material taste, material attraction, attachment will go away and increase towards to Krishna. And they will control their senses, their minds, and they develop their bhakti towards the Purushottam, the personality of Godhead, Supreme Lord Krishna, free from the nature. So here Gitani, Namani, Tadarthakani, Tadarthakani. Every name have also meaning. Every name have also meaning. We have to go to, when we chant the name, we go to meaning. If we say Damodar, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, many names there, meanings there. So if we go to meaning, only one name, how much their meanings there and pastimes there. If we say in Govinda name, this Govinda name, there are many etymology meanings also there in grammatical. There, go means senses, and who is maintaining our senses is Govinda. Go means this earth. So who is maintaining the earth is Govinda. And when Indra came in Govardhan Puja time, after defeated, Krishna defeated to Indra, Indra came, he also did Abhisheka with the Surabhi, the cow. Then he told to Govinda because he was protecting the cows, so he is also Govinda. So if you go to one name, then the Govardhan Leela, everything came. How much time you enjoy one name? 1 hour, 2 hours, you are enjoying this with inside, go there. But this spiritual process, devotional process, we can't read with hesitant mind, with unsteady mind. Okay, I want to finish this and go away. I have to do this, finish, go away. If someone think like this, when they cannot go to enter this deep, they must have peaceful mind, no hurry, no any tension, free mind, free body, and go to doing this. Maybe one verse, one word also. This will give us just narrating nectar and nectar like we drink. And this taste, this meaning, where is truth, where is the power there, and where is the Supreme Lord is there, devotee is there, our mind there, our intelligence there, our tongue there. When we chant, we read. Rupa Goswami told, Tannam Rupa Charitadi Sukirtanam Smrtyoho Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijodya Tishtan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugam Kalang Naeda Film Vitu Padesha Saram. In the nectar of instruction, Rupa Goswami has written, Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukirtanam. Sukirtan. Sukirtan means to read or chant or glorify. Uchehi Kirtana means loudly someone speak or sing. This is Kirtan. Congregational chanting is Sankirtan. The Sukirtanan, perfectly with meaning, one should sing this. And gradually, Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijojyo, Rasana, our tongue, when utter these, then go to Manasi, to mind. Nijojo, meditation also there. In a yoga process, there are separate meditation process there. But here, with this kirtan, sankirtan, meditation there. With the music, with our tune, our melody, our raga, our meaning, everything is included with the sound, sankirtana jagna. When we utter this and realize the go-to meaning, we will just enter the ocean and that's we floating and swimming and enjoying there in the ocean of Bhakti Rasa Amrita Sindhu. So here, Gitani, Namani, Tad Arthakani, Gayana Bilajo, Vicharita Asanga. Bilajo Gayan, free from any kind of this material. One is bound to sing and freely Vichare. Go everywhere. Asanga, no attachment, no entanglement with anyone. We are be with Krishna, he is the supreme soul, super soul. And every living beings here, Krishna present there as a embodied soul there. So without Krishna, nothing is there. So every life is Krishna. When we be with them, meet with them, same time we are with Krishna also. Gayana Vilajjaha. In this way, one should practice. One should practice. This is sadhana, bhakti. How we practice. This is sankirtan. Kirtana there, hearing, remembering, chanting, and enjoying the meaning there. Meaning is important. We every day we chant Guru Bandhana. Sansara Davana Lalida Loko Tranaya Karunya Gana Ganatam Praptasya Kalyana Gunanavasya Bande Guru Sri Charana Rabindam. We chant, we do good kirtan. Simultaneously, we have to go to also realize meaning. Sansara, what is the sansara? Davanala, what is the meaning of Davanala? Forest fire like leader logo, how they are burning in the suffering air. So if we go to the meaning to realize, this will be a different taste, different our realization will be there, go to deep. Just not only finish with the music, the kirtan, but there is to go to deep meaning every song. Guru Charana Padma, Vaishnava Bandhana, Manasikya, Saranagati, many there. This is give us to go very deep our heart inside. There is no other, this anarthas will come. There is no place to come there. Already we are occupied with Krishna's Bhajana Kirtan. Immediately we will be free from all these material sufferings. In this way, we practice, continue. Every day, always we need to practice. Practice means just we are taking medicine. This medicine necessary, this tonic of vitamin of the Krishna's Bhakti Rasa. This is the Rasa. Meaning is the Rasa comes. There, Evam Brata Swapriya Nama Kirtya Jata Anurago Drutachita Uchehi Asati Atha Roditi Rauti Gayati Unmadavada Nutyati Loko Bahyam. Next verse, he told, this is a very nice famous verse. By the taking of this medicine, we become spiritual madness calm. This prema bhakti will come. Evam brataha. Evam, like this, brati. Brati means we took initiation. Diksha. Diksha means this is also a vow or a brata. Brata means I have to do this. I have to chant the name. I have to read Bhagavatam. I have to do. In this way, our practice continue because in our material body, we need to maintain our body. We need to sleep. We need to eat. We need to work. Everything we need. So we are not free from our body. Our body need to maintain. So we, how much time we get free from body and mind, then we practice. So we find our time, how much time I can do, because according the condition, how much time anyone have, they have to wait. They have to find, and simultaneously we keep our sadhana. I have to do in this time work, job, family, and bhakti. In this way, we have to practice evam brata. Swapriya nama kirtya. Swapriya is the our internal beloved, is Priyatam, dearmost, because he is the soul, super soul. So, Swapriya, he is Swapriya, our Priya, our dearmost. Nama kirtya, by chanting his name. Chanting means we are calling. We calling, why we are calling? Because we are in his Maya. We are suffering here. So we call here, please take care. I surrender to you. I repent. By mistake I understood. Please be merciful to me. Like Mahaprabhu told, Ai Nanda Tanuja Kinkarang Patitang Mang Vishame Bhavam Buddho Rupaya Tava Pada Pankajastita Dhuli Sadrishan Vichintaya. We will discuss more tomorrow, and today just we continue about this verse. This is mostly given as our sadham, and this verse, one part we utter. Next part, this is come to more bhakti. So how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction there, the Rupa Goswami and Bhagavatam others, how they they have given their instructions to our practice, everything necessary to practice. Sadhana necessary. Sadhana vina sadhya vastu kahu nahi. Without practice, no one can get any result. So, evam brata swapriya nama kirtya jata anuraga drutachita uchehi. These words we will discuss tomorrow. Drutachita uchehi hasati atharoditi rauti gayati unmadvadanutati lokabhayam. This verse, next verse, we will discuss tomorrow. Hope everyone understand the deep meaning and how they have given our this bhakti, Bhagavata dharma and the Vaishnava dharma bhakti, how we practice. We will continue, and in our Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Laghu Bhagavatamrita, Brata Bhagavatamrita, and also Jiva Goswami has written Sarasandarbha, Bhakti Rasamrita. They have given all these verses. They quoted from here, from Bhagavatam. Therefore, I prefer to discuss this point. There are many principles there, and many instruction books also is there. But originally base is our Bhagavatam and this Bhagavata Dharma. They discuss there. So we will continue to discuss. I think this will help to show all devotees and they will get advancement. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bol Vancha Kalpataru Vichasipas and Pavani Vaishnava नमो नमः गौर प्रेमानंद
You can see who is there. Lalita po, Mataji.
जय हरि बोल ललिता
जय गुरुदेव
हरि बोल
Kumar. Sadhu
जय
Maharaj.
साधु महाराज
Yes, Maharaj.
धन्यवाद
Very nice to see you.
ओके
Vasudeva from Mexico. Krishna Jivani from Colombia.
हरि बोल
Dupati, Bhagavati, Dasi.
हरि बोल
Jai, Nandavat.
Many devotees.
Nanda Pranam Maharaj.
Okay, Guru Maharaj. Dandavats to all devotees. So in the publicity only says that Monday to Friday, but now Saturday also we have class. So tomorrow I hope see you in the class the same time with the same ID. And the Sunday class with simultaneous translation to Spanish. So Hare Krishna, Dandavats Pranams. Srila
Thank you,
Bhakti
Prabhu,
Vichar
for your
Goswami
service.
Maharaj ki jai.
हरि बोल
जय गुरुदेव
हरि बोल गौर प्रेमानंद
हरि बोल
Jai Gurudev.
Jai.
जय जय